Today, I'll show you how to convert your Figma designs into Webflow, making your design to development process smoother and more efficient. Whether you're a designer looking to bring your vision to life on the web or a developer aiming to streamline the workflow, this guide is for you. First, head over to webflow.com. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign in to your Webflow account. Webflow is a powerful tool that allows you to create responsive websites without needing to write a single line of code, making it perfect for designers who want more control over their projects. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which showcases all your projects. Next, click on All Sites to bring up a list of your existing projects. This section is where you can organize and manage all your Webflow sites. From here, browse through your sites and select the one you want to integrate with your Figma designs. Click on the site to open it. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for where your Figma designs will be implemented. Now that you're in the project, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Apps. This is where you can enhance your Webflow site with various integrations and tools. Adding apps to your site can significantly boost your productivity by automating tasks and extending the functionality of your site. In the Apps section, use the search bar to type in Figma. This will help you quickly locate the Figma integration among the available options. Searching directly saves time and ensures you're accessing the correct integration for your needs. Once you see Figma to Webflow, go ahead and click on it. This integration is specifically designed to help you bring your Figma designs into Webflow seamlessly. It's a fantastic way to ensure your design fidelity is maintained while transitioning to a live web environment. With the Figma to Webflow app selected, you'll notice an Install on Site button. Click on this button to add the integration to your project. Installing this integration is straightforward and quick, and it will enable you to start utilizing your Figma designs within your Webflow projects immediately. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up the Figma to Webflow integration. This process not only saves you time, but also helps maintain the quality and precision of your original designs as they move to the web. Remember, the more you familiarize yourself with both platforms, the more efficient and creative you can become in your workflow. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Keep exploring and experimenting with both Figma and Webflow to discover the endless possibilities they offer. Thanks for watching and good luck with your projects.